Assalamu alaikum guys. In this video I am going to create online database, and I also will create a PHP script that will help us to communicate with our database. So how we can do it? Just you need to go to your web server, your dashboard. You will find the hosting, then click on hosting, and then you will see the database. Because we are going to create database, so we will click on manage, and here we can see a create database option. So click on it, and here is description and password. So we will give some description to our database, which will help us to find it, uh, like employee data, and set the password for this database. So I will select at user 1234. You can we can set it. So click on save, and this will create database, MySQL database for you. So you can see the message your database is being set up. So scroll down and you can see its detailed description, your host name, port name, and each details that we will need to create PHP script. In one and ones, how we can create a PHP script? It is very simple. So just scroll down and you will get a PHP option, which will say connect database with sample PHP. So click on it, and then it will show you a PHP code. Here you can find the PHP code. We can just, what we need to do, we can just need to copy this and in create a new PHP file, and just paste it and name it as, I will keep it in desktop and name it as starter, and we'll save it as PHP. We just need to add here only password, which already we set for this database. So its password was user at user1234. Just save it. So here you can see that this is the host name, this is our database name that we have created, and this is the username and its password that we already have set. You can also cross check it from the database details. Click on MySQL database, and when you click on this database employee data, which we have given name, here you can find the details. This is the host name that is already mentioned here, and this is the username, this will be the password, and this will be the database name. This can be found on above, which is created by this web host. So this is our database and this is our PHP script. So purpose of this script is to create a communication with database. So we have already create and save it. Now we will place this PHP script to our root directory, and how we can find our root directory, it is also simple. Let's go back to page. Now I need to put this PHP script to our root directory. Our connect, you can see our domain name is infobugs.com. So I will place this PHP script to infobug.com root directory. Here we can scroll down, and I will go to click and bound infobug. This is the domain name. For this is the domain name, and here we can place our code. Then how we can check it is our root directory or not, I will show you. Now for now I am just uploading it. uploading the PHP script that we have already created. So this one I will select upload. This is saying file was successfully uploaded. So we are on root directory, our root folder of for our connected domain, which is infobugs.com. So we will scroll down and we can find our uploaded PHP file, which was startup.php. So this is our PHP file that we have uploaded. How we can check this is our root directory? It's very simple. Just go to your domain name like infobugs.com, then we will write slash and the file name startup.php. So it will help us to find our connection is successful or not. You can see connection to MySQL server successfully established. It's mean our this file, our this PHP script has successful to create connection with our database. In this way you can type just your domain name slash and then the file name, your PHP script file. If you will see this message, then it's mean you have successfully established the connection with your MySQL database. This is the way in which we can create our MySQL database, and then we can create PHP script very easily, and then we can also upload it to our home directory, and then we can check its connection status. So in next video we will start Android app development, and then we'll connect to this database, this online MySQL database with Android app. So thanks for watching.